सो हेलो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज शिवांश बैक अगेन विद अ न्यू वीडियो। और इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं 5 ऐसे टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स के बारे में जो कि शायद ही किसी को पता होंगी। गाइस, वुड यू लाइक टू नो इफ समवन रीड्स फॉर यू एंड दैट टू फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट? आई नो यू गाइस आर ईगर टू नो दैट, सो हियर इट इज। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गाइस, अगर आपके पास एडोब रीडर नहीं है तो उसे इंस्टॉल कर लीजिए। फिर फ्रेंड्स, ओपन एडोब रीडर एंड लेट्स सी, यहाँ पर फाइल, एडिट, वेव, डॉक्यूमेंट, टूल्स, विंडोज़ हेल्प, बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं। हमें वेव पे क्लिक करना है, फिर हमें क्लिक करना है, नीचे आ जाना है, रीड आउट लाउड पे क्लिक करना है। यहाँ उसके बाद 5 ऑप्शन दिए हुए हैं। फर्स्ट है रीड आउट लाउड, सेकेंड है रीड दिस पेज ओनली, थर्ड है रीड द एंड ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट, फोर्थ है पॉज, फिफ्थ है स्टॉप। हमें एक्टिवेट रीड आउट लाउड पे क्लिक करना है। आफ्टर यू हैव डन, देन अगेन गो टू वेव बटन, click on read out loud and then click on read to end of document. Now it will read it to you out loud in the default Microsoft Sam voice. So friends, let's go ahead and see the second trick. So first of all guys, click on start button, then open control panel. Then on the left side, click on hardware and sound. Then in first line, click on mouse button. Mouse properties dialog box will appear. Here you can adjust double click speed, slow or fast. Then check the switch primary and secondary buttons. Then left click on apply and OK. So guys, let's move on to the third trick. And again guys, click on the start button, open control panel, do one of the following. For category view, click system and security and then click on Windows update. For large and small view, click on a window update. Click on the left side, change settings. Then automatically recommended, download updates but let me choose whether to install them. Number 3, check for updates but let me choose whether to download and install them. Number 4, never check for updates, not recommended. In order to have same behavior for recommended updates, also tick the give me a recommended updates the same way I receive important updates checkbox. You can also choose if you want allow anyone to install updates by select the allow all users to install updates on the computer. Click on OK, save the settings. If you are prompted for an administrator password or confirmation, type the password or provide confirmation. Note, Microsoft recommends that you must keep your Windows up to date in order to remain secure, and I recommend the same. My computer is always up to date. This is one reason I never get attacked by any kind of virus. Using Shake, you can quickly minimize all open windows on the desktop except the one you want to focus on. Just click the title bar of the window you want to keep open and drag or shake the window back and forth quickly. Open windows are minimized. Hey guys, if you ever bought a new computer with the operating system already installed, you might be annoyed by the default name of the computer. When you start trying to connect different computers together, I like to use more descriptive names than SR78271101. For example, called My New Desktop Ultra Computer. To change your computer name, just right click on my computer and click on Properties. Then window opens. Click on Advanced System Settings on the left menu. Now System Properties dialog box opens. click on computer name tab and click on change at right low side. Enter a name in computer name field. You could also change the name of the work group to something more descriptive as well. Click OK. You will have to reboot after you make this change. So guys, if you like this video, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please comment us below.